am Roda Soriano. I'm the founder of Race and Rise. So these are my products. I am here in Dubai and I do aromatherapy workshop. I'm an essential oil coach and also a holistic health practitioner and a theta healing instructor and teacher. So a part of what I'm doing is I do my own blends, which are inhalers. And most of them are like a go-to thing kapag travel ka, if you wanted to have your own private scent, you can have some calming, some relaxing and uplifting thing. And another one is the brand of like roll-ons. These are um, easy essential oils that can be put in your skin. So usually these essential oils are very good to help your wellness and mental health, mental clarity, and focusing. And another one is the concentrated one, which is coming from plant therapy. So these oils are very nurturing in our body, especially in our holistic life from mind, body, and spirit. And I recommend for you to try and explore the world of essential oils and aromatherapy. And I welcome you to my world where there is all essential oils in the life. Follow us through our Race and Rise Instagram, and we have also a website which is raceandrise.com. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone.